Hello everyone, and welcome to the Import Motoring channel again. My name is Troy. I'm going to be your host for the day, and I'm accompanied by my three assistants, our Siberian Huskies. We have Roxy, the black and white one, we have Anna, our tricolored one, and we have Alexandra, our all white one. And this is my 1994 Toyota Soarer. I brought this car in from Japan back in 2019. I actually was in Japan when I saw this car, and I looked at it while I was in Japan, and I didn't really want it at the time. I came home from my trip. About 2-3 months later, I decided, well, I think I want to buy a Soarer because I wanted to do a drift car project. As you can see, I have been working on the car ever since I got it. I've got a few things here and there. One of my things that I really enjoy the most is this front splitter that we had built for it. It is a one-off splitter. I have not seen another one like it. The other thing that I love about the car is we're running the 20mm over fenders on the front, and we're running the Volk Gold GTC wheels on it, and I'm running the 50mm over fenders on the rear. Vertex style body kit on it. I am running Tane suspension. I am running White Line Racing sway bars front and rear on it. We are actually going to be doing some more things to this car this winter, so please, if you're interested, stay tuned for more updates on it. It did have the original GDM vent visors on it when I got it. Thought I'd keep them on there for nostalgia's sake. We are running a Saibon vented carbon fiber front hood for it, as well as a Saibon trunk on it. I'm running a roof spoiler on it. Also on this car, since it is the 94, I updated it to the 97 and newer taillights on it. I am running a Revell exhaust on it. It is just an axle back. We're doing that right now because eventually the car is going to get swapped. It came with a 2JZ NA in it. We're going to swap it over to a 1JZ twin turbo. I love the interior. The interior on the car actually is in really, really good shape. The car has 205,000 kilometers on it. And when I got it, it had 204. I haven't really put many kilometers on it since I've had it. We've done a Pioneer doubled in on it and updated that. The interior, like I said, pretty clean. It's got its usual flaws in the doors and stuff like that, but for the most part, it's in pretty decent shape. One of my favorite things about the car is my Saibon carbon fiber hood on it. I just love the way it flows on the white and the black. We are actually going to be wrapping this car and doing some powder coating on the suspension, and we're going to be changing the wheels up. We're going to be doing a step lip 19 on it. We're going to tie this car in with another car that I have that is my show car, so that I can show the two of them together. We'll be showing them all next year in several different locations. We'll be in Washington, Utah, Nevada, and I believe California are the 4 big shows that I'm trying to make with it. But yeah, car is absolutely fun to drive. I can't wait to get it wrapped. I can't wait to do a few more things to it for the season next year. Thanks again for watching the video. We truly appreciate it. If you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe button. If you are interested in the content on the Soarer as I post it, feel free to hit the notification bell. And again, we at Import Motoring drive our inner passion, and we encourage you to do the same. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one.